Python has multiple data types and data structures that you can use to store and manipulate data efficiently. Some of them are included in the Python Collections module. In this video, we will discuss the Python data type from the collection module called UserString. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to explore a handy but lesser known tool in Python's Collections module, the UserString class. If you've ever wanted to customize how strings behave, this data structure is exactly what you're looking for. Let's check it out. UserString is a class from Python's Collections module that acts just like a normal string, but it's designed to be safely subclassed. It wraps a regular string inside a class so you can easily override or customize behavior. It behaves just like a string, but gives you more control when building your own string-like classes. Why not just subclass str? Well, you can subclass str, but it's tricky. Many built-in string methods are implemented in C, and they might bypass your overridden methods. That can lead to inconsistent behavior. With UserString, everything is implemented in pure Python, so your overrides and custom logic are always respected. UserString is great when you want to add custom logic to string operations, you need to validate or filter strings, you're building reusable classes that behave like strings, or you want to log, track, or monitor string usage in your app. It's especially helpful for building cleaner, safer string wrappers. Here are a few things to know. The string value is stored in self.data. It supports all regular string operations, slicing, indexing, methods like lower and find. You can override any behavior like add, getItem, or contains. It's part of the Collections module. No external libraries are needed. And it makes building custom string-compatible classes simple and reliable. Let's walk through some practical examples of how UserString can be used. In this example, we create a class with a method to log any time the string is accessed. To do this, we create a new class called LoggingString that inherits from UserString. Then we override the getItem method so that every time the string is accessed, a note will be printed to the console. In this next example, we make a class with a method that will automatically make the string uppercase. Here, we once again make a new class that inherits from UserString called uppercase string. This time, we override the init method so that the value is stored in the new string variable in uppercase. The UserString is very useful for creating string data validation rules. In this example, we create a new class called noDigitString that inherits from UserString. We then override the init method and include a rule that will raise an error if there are any numeric digits within the string. As you can see, UserString makes it easy to extend or restrict string behavior without breaking the core functionality. So that's your quick intro to Python's Collections UserString. It's a fantastic tool when you want to create your own string-like classes safely and with full control over behavior. If you've ever wanted to extend the power of strings, this is the way to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And drop a comment letting us know how you'd use UserString in your next Python project. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding.